All right, so we have to get this windshield wiper off the back here that's stuck. It's got a knot on there. Took the knot off. You don't want to pry on the surface here to get it off. So we're going to use our two jaw puller to get this thing off of here. Let's see if it comes off. Now this is just a small one, but we should have enough one here to pop this thing loose. Maybe. It's not moving yet. I might have to heat this thing up a little bit. Nuts loose. I've already soaked it with some lube there. But no, there it goes. I got it. That's our 2-jaw puller right there. Did the job. It's crazy, you know, if you tried to pry on this, you're gonna end up denting your rear here. This doesn't just work for this. This little puller's heavy duty. I use it for all kinds of small stuff that you need a 2-jaw puller for.